Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a very quick video to show you how I streamline all of my work using AI when it comes to government contracting. That's proposal, tasks, timeline, compliance, and everything else related to it. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing that we're going to do, ChatGPT. And then we're also going to find our contract that we want to bid on Sam.Gov. We're going to download all these attachments and whatever attachments right here. We're going to download them, click. And then we're going to upload them on ChatGPT very quickly. So they're still downloading. Here you go. So we're out of data because I was testing, but let's pretend. Actually, let's not pretend. This is not a good way to work. Downloading, uploading, copy pasting, prompting, it's not an efficient way to organize everything. So this is actually the intro of the video. I found this contract with the AI powered search on Sam Search, and let me show you that how I use this tool to actually sort everything out with my AI agents. And this tool got all the agents that I would need to help me sort out this bid from A to Z. This is a water storage tank maintenance and operations. We'll go ahead and start a journey for it. Once we do so, we see that journey created successfully. We can either view it or we can go to our journey hub. In the journey hub, I have all of my contracts that I'm interested in right here with their status. So these ones are still in the assessment stage. I have ones in progress, I have ones in submitted, and I have two that I won. This is the one that we were looking at. So let's click on it. Deep Insights is now telling me why my business fits this contract, and I'm getting AI insights about what's so good about my company that I've set up in my company profile matches this exact opportunity. Let's go to the contacts. So here I have my CRMs. Actually, I do need to look for a subcontractor when it comes to this opportunity. So let me find one of these subcontractors. Let's go with this company right here. We're going to copy this information and we're going to go back to the journey. It's a contact. So here's the phone number and the name. We're just going to remove it. And that's my subcontractor. And now I also have my subcontractor information right here. And I do have to create tasks for myself to eventually bid on this contract, but I don't know exactly what these tasks have to be. So let me ask this AI feature, which is the chat, about to create me cards for the Kanban board that we have earlier in the tasks that efficiently manages the life cycle responding to this bid based off this opportunity. Now it's reading everything from the attachments and the description of the contract, and it's providing me with all the cards or all the tasks that I need to do in my Kanban board. So as we see here, one by one at a time. Now that it's all done, I can get the card information right here, go back to the tasks, add a new task, and I can just have them right here. So we see this one is identify and assess the opportunity. So that's going to be my task number one. And also tell me that priority is high. So we'll go set up priority to high. And the deadline is 15/5, so we'll go ahead and put that as our deadline. Based off all the cards and all the tasks, it's providing me with a deadline, so I don't even have to worry about the timeline as well. And it made a quick checklist for me that would identify this task as complete. Let me create it, and now I have an identify and assess opportunity task with the description of my checklist of the subtasks. Now I can do the same for all of the other cards, but we'll skip that process for the sake of the example. And let's go back here. Once this is to do, in progress, and done, also with a calendar view, so I see all of my tasks color coded. And again, I spent no time finding the contract, no time parsing the contract, and no time making up with a plan on how to tackle this opportunity. Over here I have the documents that came with the contract, but I can also upload my own documents. And from there, let's go ahead and write our proposal, shall we? So we have the documents here that I have uploaded to my company profile earlier. So I have two different capability statements, and I'm going to remove one of them because it's not really so much accurate to this industry on its own. Case study and white paper, past performance records, we're going to keep those, and we're going to generate the outline. Okay, and now we have an outline that is generated. I will go through this outline quickly to make sure it fits the criteria and it fits the compliance metrics, and it also understands what I need in my proposal. So I can go ahead to every title and its subtitles and review the writing plan, which is the prompt, increase or decrease the pages, and I will go over it, maybe add more sections, maybe review more sections, And once I like everything and I like the conclusion, for example, I can go ahead and generate the proposal. Generating the proposal will take a few minutes because it takes some time to write and draft up an entire proposal, but I will be notified by email once it's ready. But let's go and put this into the in progress column. And now we can go and tackle another opportunity or maybe wrap up these. So if I click on this one, for example, I can see the tasks I have overdue left. Well, I don't have any tasks in this one, but you get the idea. And now we have a full complete proposal written by AI with everything needed, the pricing by the terms and conditions, the project, the emergency response plan. I'm assuming that is needed by the officer. Now also to edit the proposal, I can also bring any section, for example, this one, and have a specific chat with it on the proposal editor using the chat. So I can ask it to expand on this. I can also ask it to make this part a table, and instead of bullet points, what we had right here, it's now making it a table, and then I can just copy and paste it right there. And after I'm all done, and I think this is a good proposal, I'll go ahead and download it. But to recap everything, and we'll put it in submitted. To recap everything, I was able to generate tasks from AI if you don't know where to start. So I also have the tasks right here. I can upload as many tasks as needed. I can upload documents and see my documents, and if I log out of this laptop and go to my office, I will find the same documents uploaded, not having to worry about uploading them on the drive or uploading them somewhere else. And having a chat with them right here is very much accessible. Over this chat, I can ask it for whatever I need from it. It's honestly my right hand assistant. And now I also have a written proposal right here, all from the Journey Hub of Sam Search. Let alone that I found federal contract right here, but I was also able to find state grants and SBIRs along with other features. I was able to increase my bid, and with the people that I work with, I was able to increase my bidding rate and the people that I work with to increase their bidding rate by 90% using Sam Search. So this tool is very much promising, and it's what all of my AI agents, I call them, in one place. I used to follow the old school way-ish, which is the ChatGPT, the Trello, the having everything in different sections, downloading them, prompting back and forth with ChatGPT to essentially and finally get a proposal. Now all I needed to do is hit generate proposal, and I got the outline and the proposal as well with Sam Search. So go sign up on Sam Search and try it out yourself and see how much time you can save. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and happy bidding.